Good day. My name is David Wild, and this is the last part of a five-part lecture on Chapter 16 on Human Resource Management from Connect Master Management 2.0. Let's first talk about managing employee work opportunities. Opportunity-oriented HR practices directly impact the nature of the workplace in which people work, how jobs are designed, the task employees are asked to perform, and how people interact, all influence the nature and extent of employees' potential contributions. Job design. Recent research by Ann Barr Thompson suggests the top 5 things employees want are: first, trust, to work for a company they can trust to live up to its promises. Second, enrichment, to work for a company that helps them enhance their life. Third, responsibility, to work for a company that behaves ethically. Fourth, community, to work for a company that gives them a sense of belonging. And fifth, contribution, to work for a company that makes a difference in their communities. Forbes magazine lists the following 5 things as being most desirable: money, benefits, work-life balance, opportunities for advancement and professional development, and a sense of purpose. Money clearly matters, but so does job design. Job design refers to the practice of structuring work tasks so that they are motivational. It includes deciding which tasks and responsibilities employees are expected to perform in their position, how those tasks are to be performed, and how workplaces are set up. From a company point of view, jobs can be designed in many ways, but 2 broad approaches to job design are to focus either on efficiency or motivation. At one end of the job design spectrum is the efficiency approach. The primary focus of this approach is to think of employees as a machine that can be optimized. This approach largely took root during the Industrial Revolution, which represented a fundamental change in how business is conducted. In contrast to focusing on efficiency, an alternative approach to job design focuses on how the design of work may influence employees' drive to work as hard as possible. The essence of this perspective is that different approaches to job design are more motivating than others. For example, the job characteristics model reflects some of the core job dimensions that may be manipulated to impact employee motivation and satisfaction. The 5 core job dimensions are skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy, and feedback. These 5 job characteristics operate by influencing one of the 3 critical psychological states, as you can see in Figure 7, which depicts the job characteristics model. When designing jobs, managers may alter these dimensions to impact employee satisfaction and motivation. For example, managers may implement job enlargement by increasing the scope of an employee's job by adding additional duties, or by job rotation, moving employees from one job to another within an organization. Both tactics would help skill variety. In an effort to increase employee responsibility, managers may implement job enrichment and allow employees to perform tasks at a higher level of responsibility, which is also a form of empowering employees. Empowering employees helps push decision-making authority and responsibility down to the individuals who actually do the work. Workplace flexibility. An additional consideration of opportunities to participate is to evaluate how employees interact with each other and their organization. Many companies are increasing the flexibility of when and where their employees work. Many organizations allow workers to work remotely and connect virtually through advances in technology. Research has shown that employees with flexible schedules have a more positive employee experience. Telecommuting refers to allowing employees to perform part or all of their job task at home or another place other than the regular office. Organizations are also experimenting with office designs as an attempt to influence how people interact in the workplace. Some companies implement virtual teams that allow workers to connect remotely across work setting locations or from any combination of locations, whether at work and or home. As the recent COVID-19 pandemic has illustrated, we have grown to depend on such work arrangements. In summary, on talking about managing employee work opportunities, managing opportunities to maximize employee contributions to organizational success is based on how jobs are designed and how organizations approach workplace flexibility. Job design focuses directly on which specific task a job performs as well as how those tasks are carried out. Some jobs follow an efficiency orientation and rely on job simplification, standardization, and repetition. Other jobs follow a motivational approach with more autonomy, feedback, and task variety. Organizations also influence how work gets done by how they approach where and when people work. And for a final subject, let's talk about human resource management in your career. Understanding the principles of human resource management are important for your management career in several ways. First, many people pursue the field of human resource management as a career. HRM is a well-established profession with many exciting career options. HR professionals are tasked within organizations with shaping policies about staffing, designing compensation systems, rethinking the design of workplaces, and many other policies that directly impact workers within organizations. Second, the topics covered in this chapter are used daily by managers and supervisors. Understanding how to recruit and select the right employees and provide them with the necessary training and developmental opportunities is an important starting point for building a good workforce. Paying people an equitable wage and providing a rewarding environment help to attract and retain good employees. Finally, designing jobs in a way that facilitates the right types of interactions among workers can help make sure the work gets done in a timely manner. While human resource managers and HRM professionals play a key role in designing these policies in organizations, frontline supervisors are often tasked with implementing these policies with their employees. So, in summary, in looking at HRM in your career, the principles of human resource management are used every day by managers and supervisors in all organizations, both large and small. Understanding how to recruit and select the right employees and providing them with the necessary training is an important starting point for building an effective workforce. Recognizing that paying people an equitable wage and aligning the performance management system and incentives with the right attitudes and behaviors will help both employees and employers to focus on meeting company goals. And with that, we'll end the fifth part of our five-part lecture on Chapter 16 on Human Resource Management from Connect Master Management 2.0.